In this video, I'm going to show you how to clean RAM and improve performance on your Windows 11. So first, go here to this bar in the bottom of the screen, right click on your mouse, click Task Manager. Then go to Performance and click on Memory. As you can see, I have 2.7 gigabyte of cache on my RAM. So what I have to do to clear this and make my RAM clean and work well, I will just go to my search engine and I will search for RAM map like this. Click enter, open the official link of Microsoft and click. You will find here download RAM map, click like this and click on the file that we already downloaded and open this. Click extract all, click extract. Right now click on RAM map and open it and click yes, and right now you have to install it and agree of the term and wait for the installing, and next it will look like this. Because I already have it, I will just go right now and open Task Manager, and as you can see, go to Performance Memory, and as you can see I have 2.2 gigabyte cached. So I will come here to RAM map and click on empty and click empty standby list. And right now look at my cached. It's just 18, like 100, like this. So I hope this video was useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and